So the training provided by Imagine has been really helpful for me at work, so I'm able to get things done much quicker without having to ask my colleagues so much with help to do the little things. I think before the course I felt reasonably confident that I could get around Excel and do most of the things that I needed to do, but when I came on the course I definitely found out about features that I didn't know existed previously. So I found out about the shortcuts and I found those to be particularly helpful. So when you're repeating a certain task over and over, I was taking a lot longer to do this previously, but now I know the shortcuts, it's turned out to be a real time saver. I found Karen to be really helpful, so I think a Microsoft Office course could easily be stuffy or boring, but her passion made it fun and interesting, and she was patient with us as well. So when we were a little bit behind, she sort of went at our pace, but she also made sure that we got through the whole day as well in time. Since I've been on the course, I've found that I've used a lot of the features that I was introduced to at the session, and I find that my work rate is much more efficient than it was. I'd definitely recommend Imagine training to someone who uses Microsoft Office at work. Even if you think you've mastered all the features, I think if you come along you'll definitely be introduced to things that you didn't know existed that's going to benefit you when you get back to work.